What is up, amigos? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. Let me fix my camera gear. Okay, it's working. Okay, so this is my 2020 Yamaha R6. As many of you have seen this before in my vlogs. So today, oh, here goes another rider. Today I decided to come out and do a little bit like ride. That's a nice R1. Just go around, say hi to him. So kind of like vlogging right now. So today is almost like the day after Thanksgiving. The mountains are empty and the canyons are a little bit empty, so I decided to come and vlog here. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who have been watching, who have been supporting me and watching my content and subscribing to my channel. I really really I don't know how to express my emotions and me being thankful for all of you, because it makes a huge difference, especially when you're like a new YouTuber and you're trying to put content out there. You're trying to talk to the biker community or the people who love Yamaha R6, especially like sports bikes. Like, you know, I started by, you know, watching YouTube like other bikers, and then about my, alright, we're gonna go through this door. I mean this door. Cut the lanes in Mexico, as most of you know what in Mexico means. But yeah, you know, most of you know that when it comes to bikes, some of us watch it on YouTube because, you know, we are saving for it or we can't afford to have it at that time. But you know what, it's truly a blessing to connect with all of you, to share content and talk about motorcycles and just hang in here. So today, it's November, it's pretty cold out there, but today was today wasn't that cold, but the last 2 days, guys, I was off. I'm very thankful for my family. I was just spending time with my family, but I wanted to vlog, but I couldn't really vlog because it was windy, and on the top of that, it was just too dangerous. I tried to go out and try to do it, but here it was a warning that there's gonna be really windy here, so I decided not to do it. But today there was no wind, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna, you know, vlog for you guys and just talk about different things. Thank you for all of you for watching my last video. It's finally you know, getting people's attention, which is true, about how Yamaha is discontinuing Yamaha R6. They're not gonna make it anymore. I know it sounds crazy. Part of me is, I don't believe it, but part of me is denying to not believe it, but it's true. So in the sports bike world, if you are looking into buying that bike and you really want that bike, you know, you should definitely go for it. You should definitely buy it, because they're not gonna make it anymore. And today I was at the gas station, as most of you know that watch my vlog on a every weekend. I saw my vlogs at a gas station. I was at a gas station. This bike always gets looks. Like this, 3 guys, I caught them just staring and trying to figure out what type of bike it is. Like I've said this before, guys, this bike looks like a R1. It all has to do with my modification, the way I modified it. I mean, it's simple things that everybody can do. Put exhaust, put a black windshield, and the tail light. But yeah, so it gets attention like no other, and I absolutely love it. There goes the twisties. You know, another thing I was gonna say, this bike, me coming here in the mountains, was teaching me a lot to how to handle the corners and how to become better at them, you know. So it's very beneficial, and I love doing that. Last time I pulled over here, and oh my god, the view here is amazing. So yeah, it's helping me with my riding skills. So it's very beautiful here. Most of you know, or the ones that who are watching me from Cali, it's Mount Baldy. It's really nice out here. The weather is nice, and a lot of people come here, like especially the car community or the bikers who are into bikes, but they come here. They come here, they ride, the air is pretty fresh here, so it's fun to be here. But yeah, again, going back to the Yamaha R6 thing, like I was saying, like most of you, if you're looking into buying one or you really want one, you should definitely go for it and make it happen, because these bikes are not going to be made anymore. I don't know for how long. Maybe Yamaha will make a comeback, who knows. But winter is here. It's kind of getting cold here in Cali, but I'm truly blessed to be vlogging, riding, and sharing content with you guys, because a lot of YouTubers that I watch, like Cycle Cruiser, he lives in Ohio, but it snows over there, so I haven't seen much content from him. But yeah, so it's fun, you know. Thankful to be able to ride and share content with you. Another thing I was gonna say that I really want to talk about is, like, I'm really into like motivation, and as far as like inspiring people and focusing on their goals. I just want to throw it out there, something that I have been reflecting on, and I honestly suggest for a lot of you to do the same. Today is the 28th of November, and 2 days until December, so we have about a month of this year left. I know some of us had a very, very rough year, but some of us had a successful year. Some of us lost people, some of us didn't. Some of us got promoted and some of us didn't. But at the end of the day, guys, we all survived. We all survived, you know. And things are getting better anyway. The vaccine is out for this virus, this pandemic that we've been dealing with. But things are getting better. So I just wanted to ask some of you to comment below and let me know what your goals are for 2021. It can be about motorcycles, or if you're willing to buy one, or you want to buy a R6, you know, let me know. Just comment below and let me know if you are going to pull the trigger to buy your dream car, your dream house, or your dream motorcycle. I would love to know about you guys and what you guys are planning on. I think that would be dope to hear from most of you and connect with all of you. So yeah, as we come to an end to this year, it's been a blessed year for me. It's been really good. I'm very, very thankful for a lot of things in my life, especially this motorcycle, because I keep bringing the topic to this motorcycle because it's been my dream bike, and I'm a Yamaha guy, and this bike has brought me a lot of happiness in a way. You know what they say, two-wheel therapy. I believe in it. I have the keychain for it too. It's quite a bit true. It's very therapeutic. It helps us to get away from our stress or daily problems. But going back to the positive side, I really want to know what your goals are for next year. Who is going to be buying a motorcycle? Who's going to get a cruiser? If any of you are going to get an R1, please make a channel, and I'll watch your content. I would love to know about your bike, because another biker. I would love to know what you have to offer, or you know, your experience with the ownership with the R1, because that's a bike on my list that one day I would love to own. So I would love to see that from you guys. And another one is the Indian motorcycle cruise has been getting my attention. They're really nice. I've been watching them, but I really want to finish paying this off, which I will next year. But yeah, so that was my thing, you know, my 2 cents. And most of you, again, if I forgot to say in this video, happy Thanksgiving. I'm very, very thankful for all of you for watching my content, supporting my content, because we focus on, you know, positivity here, just to, you know, share our passion about motorcycles, motivation, maybe fitness here and there. I love fitness too, so I'm more than happy to talk about that as well once in a while. Please don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. Oh, there you go, good job. Yeah, it can get dangerous sometimes, because I was like, I hope he sees me. But last time I forgot to say it. I mean, I was here, but I didn't vlog. I pulled over. Yeah, I talked about it, about the CHP officer encounter. I vlogged, but the day after that, I came, but I vlogged, but my camera was having problems and it didn't record the content. I was really disappointed because I wanted to post video guys back to back, but it's okay. I try my best to do it on a weekly basis, and I know in December I may not be able to ride, but we will see. But I still want to put content out there on a weekly basis or twice a week, you know. We gotta watch our speed limit here for a little bit. Okay, 25. I mean, I know nobody is going 25 in Mexico. The other guy again. Cool guy, because usually all run guys are fast riders. They just want to go fast. That's the thing about you. That's the Yamaha respect, guys. I'm just kidding. So yeah, this area is not gonna lie, it's really nice. Has great areas to hike. There are a lot of people who, I think it's like a retired community, I don't know, but the bikers and bicycle community is pretty strong. Like every time I'm here, I see people riding, I see people hiking. I've actually hiked here myself. I think I mentioned it in my last video. It's just fun, you know. You come here and you hike for a little bit, connect with the nature. And then I've seen like bikes here in the restaurants here. Actually, there's a few restaurants. Kind of slowing down because this gentleman in front of me. Yeah, so there's a restaurant that I see guys like guys who ride their motorcycles. They come here and they pull over and they have a drink or they eat food, but God knows what. I've seen it. This area. Oh, there it is. That's the one I was talking about. Oh, here goes another biker. I mean bicycle. Yeah, so it's fun here. Like these are Harleys, I believe. Yeah, they're Harleys. Cruisers. They're nice. I would love to ride one day, but right now I'm sticking to the moto side, MotoGP, the Yamaha side. So yeah, it's pretty chill here. It's fun. Yeah, but one thing that I was gonna say before I forget, this bike, we are almost reaching into 2,000 miles. I have about 1,900 miles so far, and hasn't disappointed me. I haven't really seen any problems with the bike so far, so it's been doing good. It's been doing good. Yeah, there's a lot of people out here. I forgot that a lot of people are still on their break. Yeah, guys, so here it is. Enjoy the view. I know some of you might be watching me. It's like snowing in your state, but here it's a blessing. It's not. Families are out. They're on vacation. They're having a good time, because we have to focus on social distancing anyway, and the cases are going up in the US. You know, it's really good to be careful and be safe, guys. Be safe. That's like my ultimate advice for you guys, besides motorcycles. Part of me just want to stay quiet and let you guys enjoy, which I'm doing for a little bit, but it's good to catch up with you. And all the new subscribers who've been watching my content, who've been liking my content, I'm extremely appreciative for all of you. It's a blessing, you know, that I started from zero. I'm getting into somewhere, and you know, you guys are watching my content, liking it, and it's greatly appreciated. I know I've said it before, but I'll say it again. But those of you who are new, you're more than welcome to go check out my other videos, my exhaust video. Check out my review of when I took the delivery my detail review, my modification video. All of them are on my channel, so feel free to go check those out, like them, share them. If someone is looking into buying this bike, I think it's gonna help them. And it's free, plus it's just free. It's out there. It's a nice house. So thank you again for watching. Yeah, on an intellectual level, it's good to have a bike because of social distancing. Some of us might be running out of options, but I'm extremely thankful to have this thing. This is a tough one right here. I'm gonna pull over on the side. Oh, there it is. Okay. Pull over on the side so this person can go. Let's see. Okay, let this guy go. Yeah, on the top of the mountain. Let's see. I kind of want to go out there. I should go, but there is maybe no parking. But let's go. I have to control the clutch. Yeah, oh my god, it's so cold in here. There's a lot of people. Okay, I want to find a spot to pull over. Oh my god, it's so busy today. Let me get here. What's this guy doing? I think it might be stopped, so I'm just gonna go around. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today. A lot of people are here. Try to pull over on the side so I can talk to you guys. There's this guy that I usually pull over by his house. He's gonna be like, look at this guy, always comes in by my house. I'm just gonna go here anyway. Just pull over here. I put the kickstand. People are hiking on this Saturday. I mean, it's like Thanksgiving, like the day after Thanksgiving. You know, a lot of people are busy. They're doing their stuff. They're hanging out and they're enjoying the holidays, like social distancing. But again, thank you very much for all of you for watching my content. I really appreciate it. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you coming here and watching me while I'm in the mountains vlogging and just hanging out here. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna try to see if I can park this thing. Okay, I'm on an uphill. It's kind of dangerous. Let's see. Hi. Yeah, there's nice people. They're really nice people here. They love the bike, and I love nice people. But yeah, those of you who haven't seen my bike, if you want to watch it, this is how it looks from the front. I know it looks so menacing and sick. But thank you again. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys on the next vlog.